Alright folks, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be an awesome day. I'm starting the day off heading to Robben Island, and then I'm going to do paragliding. So those of you who don't know, Robben Island was a maximum security facility. It's about 12 kilometers off the coast of Cape Town, and it's where Nelson Mandela served 18 years, I think from 1964 to 1982. So I'm gonna hop on a ferry, head over there and do a guided tour. It's about 3.5 hours total, and then come back, get some lunch, and then head up to Signal Hill and do paragliding. So that should be fun. It might be 2 videos. I'm not sure how long the paragliding is gonna be, but if it's 2 videos, if it's too long, then I'll just make another video for the paragliding separately. So all right, let's go. Well folks, oh my gosh, the worst thing happened to me. I don't know, I have so much bad luck. I booked a trip online this morning, went to the ticket counter. They said it's not showing up, and my debit card said okay, payment process or whatever. And then I checked my online statement, and there was no money coming out of my account from Robben Island. Lord. Oh boy, and I can't catch the 1 o'clock tour because I have to be up by the hill to paraglide at 4 p.m. So, oh, that's a seal over there. So, I don't know, man. Maybe if I have some time, I'll try again tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm just gonna walk around, see if there's anything else I can do in the meantime. Man, oh man, I missed the damn ferry. All right then. There goes my ferry that's leaving to Robben Island. Oh boy.
Helikopter.
How much is the helicopter tour?
Muizenberg Constantia. So you ride around with the blue route, you will cover the Blue Line, Table Mountain, Cape Town, Vienna waterfront. So you all these areas which you see on this map here, right around with the Blue Line. And when we get back, I give you a ride on the Captain Marine for an hour.
What time will we get back?
So if you fly now, say for example you fly now, then you will be back, it will be 24 minutes. So you will get back to me by half past. Half past you get back to me, then I put you on another boat.
Half past what?
12:30.
Half past 12?
Yep.
Okay, because I gotta get to Signal Hill by 4.
You
so
will
if I catch an Uber, if I do this and I catch an Uber, I'll get there before.
You will get there before time, and it will be a perfect timing. Then you will still be able to do a boat ride with me.
Helicopter, guys.
The boat ride I'm giving you for free, that's a complimentary.
What's the price in this thing?
So the price of my name Diego, man.
All right, people, I got Diego here. He caught me. I'm gonna do a helicopter ride around Cape Town. I guess everything happens for a reason. Hopefully I can see Robben Island from above, but he sold me on it, so I'm gonna do a helicopter ride instead of going to Robben Island. I was gonna waste my day, and I didn't know what to do because I missed the boat ride. Yeah.
So if they cannot be met, they become disappointed. So in life, never do things with an expectation.
You hear that? Never do things with expectation.
If you do things with expectations and they are not met, you end up feeling not the person that you're supposed to be. You end up slandering yourself into the drown disappointment.
Right, because I was disappointed I missed my ferry.
I'm here to make it up.
That's right.
Yeah?
And I'm sure it's gonna be a better day, man.
Yeah, some people like it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yo, D.
Yo, D. You got one more.
He's a very nice guy, man.
Nice, man. Nice.
It's actually 12 minutes, but I don't because you fly alone. Yeah, we still get about that from the other place. I got your way.
Yeah.
Is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
That was awesome. That was awesome. That was awesome. Woo! All right, folks. So heading out on a 1 hour boat boat ride right now. Helicopter view was amazing, and now I'm heading out on a 1 hour boat ride. Hopefully I can get some more views. So yeah, day hasn't been that disappointing.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London.
What is that? Some type of finish.
Trying to protect your soul.
Wow, that is a big. What type of fish is that? That's a big and an ugly fish. Wow. What in the world is that?
I need you to listen. I need